You know who San Joaquin Valley Transparency is?
Yeah, I've watched a lot of his videos.
He posted. We're friends, and he posted one of my videos.
Back that way.
Don't yell at me.
I will yell at you.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
Good morning, everyone. This video comes to you from News Now, Ohio. This guy is an OG. He's been doing this for a long time. He does run his own business. You guys are going to hear in this video that he's done actual work for some folks in the video. So watch this video all the way through. You're going to see him talk to one officer who truly appreciates what he does. And you're going to see another officer who goes from 0 to 100 real quick. All right, folks, here we go.
So, you heard that, guy. What? Fucking yell at me. Do something then. Do it. Do it. Put me in jail, motherfucker.
Get back that way.
Don't yell at me. Got it?
I will yell at you.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
I'm behind the fucking tape.
You're going to stay further back
I'm
that
behind
way.
the tape.
That's fine. Get some more
You
tape.
know the tape's right there. You want to cut it off, cut it off. Don't fucking yell at me. You don't know who the fuck I am.
I don't care who the fuck you are.
Well, you will.
No, I won't.
Yeah, you will.
No, I won't.
Don't fucking yell at me, servant.
How about this? We'll just take you over here.
You do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. Don't touch my fucking phone. First Amendment violation. Yeah, it is.
As you guys seen, he was standing behind the yellow tape, so why this officer was so aggressive is beyond me. Now I want you guys to know that he's not out there to cause problems. You guys are going to see this clip and you're going to know exactly that this man is doing this for the right reasons. Check this out, folks.
What?
Sorry, I'm going to have to ask you to stop recording.
Hey, this motherfucker's asking him for a license. You hear me?
Yeah.
This dude's asking him for a driver's license, man. The fuck is wrong with this guy? Oh, he don't know. I don't think he knows me.
No, there's the...
Wow. He's checking their license, bro. That's illegal. That's illegal as fuck. Oh my
I know.
God, dude.
How are you doing?
Doing good, Jason. How you doing, buddy? Dude, get some fucking clothes on. What's wrong with you, man? Look at this guy, man.
I'm sitting in my car.
Best cop on the force right here, guys. Yeah, he's asking for license.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of that either.
It's illegal. That's illegal as fuck.
Yeah.
This ain't Nazi Germany.
Yeah, you can do DUI checkpoints.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah.
You could be, that's it. DUI checkpoint.
DUI checkpoint.
There ain't no such thing as a driver's license checkpoint. They're not supposed to be anyway. They do have them in other states though.
They do. Yeah.
But it's unconstitutional as fuck.
I don't like it either. I have to agree with you.
I mean, dude, that's Nazi Germany shit. Come on, Jason. You know, it's Nazi. Just stop it. Let me see your papers. You know, fucking Nazi Germany shit.
I don't like that either.
Huh.
I don't like it either.
I'm about to pull through here and wait for 4 cars to go in front of me and pull in just so this dude can ask me for my license. So just so I can tell him to go get fucked. Oh, did you see my video with the dude over by my house? Oh God, you gotta go watch it.
Yeah.
This motherfucker trying to tell me I better watch my mouth or I'm gonna go to jail for disorderly conduct. I looked at him and said, fuck you, dude. I'm, for one, standing on my fucking property.
Yeah.
And
That doesn't work.
Right, like first of all, most disorderly conduct statutes are unconstitutional as hell. You know.
Yeah,
So.
yeah. Some of them are. There's no bright line between what's legal and what's not.
And a cop can't be a complainant, so they can't be the one that's offended. And he was like, well, I have 2 people right here.
That is also true.
And he was like, well, I have 2 people right here. I was like, you're arresting them. You think they're going to be your co-signer on this, man?
Right.
I asked his partner. I was like, so you want to get in on this? And he was like, I want no part of it. I was like, He's like, I'm being a nice guy today. I was like, how come I feel like that's not the reason?
So you know, when I saw, did you have a sign? What did you?
I did, right down there. I had a sign.
What did it say?
It said, checkpoint ahead, turn now, fuck the cops, or fuck the police. Why, did somebody come and tell on me?
No, I saw you walking.
Oh, I walked by, yeah.
Somebody said somebody's recording. I said, that must be Don. I was looking for you. I was over here by my car.
I was over there. There's my truck.
Oh, there he is. You're the smart one standing underneath the heat.
Hey, taxpayer heat, baby. That's, you know.
Taxpayer heat.
That's right.
Absolutely.
I've been waiting on one of them to say something to me for standing here. He's like, well, can I move the taxpayer heat with me then?
On a public sidewalk.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got to see the trusses on my truck.
I saw that
Those are
over
trusses, dude. They're only 4-pitch trusses, though.
Where are they going?
Up in Vista Verde subdivision.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I told some of these guys yesterday, I said, he's done some work for me. I said, the guy's a hell of a painter, carpenter. They're like, what? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
I mean, what the fuck they think? I just sit around a cop field. I sure don't make a living off of this.
No, there's not enough money in there.
Dude, when I first started and I had a lot of subscribers, I mean, I still got the same. I actually went up about 600.
That's good.
You know who San Joaquin Valley Transparency is?
Yeah, I've watched a lot of his videos.
He posted, we're friends, and he posted one of my videos. The one that said it looked like profiling to me. I don't know if you've seen that one. The cops had some, right over here by, right in front of right behind the old courthouse, the old one. Yeah. In front of the old jail. Had some black kids pulled over, had them sitting on the cold ass fucking ground. Like, are you serious?
Were they searching the car?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, because they smelled weed. I was like, that is not probable cause anymore.
It's tough. It's tough now because
but medical marijuana.
All the person has to do is say, I've got a medical marijuana card.
And he can't ask for it. I mean, not really.
It's a violation of a HIPAA law.
Right, exactly.
I'm not going to disclose my medical documents.
Exactly.
It's one of those things.
It's a gray area. It for sure is.
I can't wait to retire from this job.
Oh, I bet.
Get my little pension and go on my way and go cut grass for a
right. Go build decks. Go build some decks, man.
Go build some decks. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Go be a handyman.
That's right.
Yeah.
Hell, man, you get enough properties and you can just do it for yourself. Do all your own shit.
It's tough.
That's a nightmare, dude.
It's tough. It really is.
Oh, we beat their ass in court. Dude, they was trying to take our house and everything for back taxes.
Really?
$7,000 in taxes. They was trying to take both our lot and our house. And
your house is paid off, isn't it?
Yeah. That's another thing that's unconstitutional, fucking property tax. But ain't nothing we can do about that.
It's so difficult dealing with the city.
Oh yeah. Oh, dude, our lawyer, we had a legal aid lawyer, and he said in the 12 plus years he's been dealing with Butler County, he's never seen the prosecutor go after someone so aggressively. Dude, they illegally put our house on the market for sale. Yeah, of course I know why. But here's the thing. They illegally put our house up on the fucking sheriff's sale. For sale. Yeah, and our lawyer fucking filed an injunction. Was like, dude, what you just did is illegal. We responded in the 30 days to your fucking complaint. And they hurried up and jerked that shit off the fucking marketplace real quick.
As they should.
Oh, man. They did everything. Dude, they went after us so hard. Dude, we had self-paid it for us. But I had the money. I had the money anyway, regardless.
You started a privacy fence around your yard.
Yeah. Okay. What are they gonna do?
It's all right.
You're gonna get rats in your fucking front yard if you don't watch it. Do you see that? You probably never seen that one. Video of a New York highway patrol pulled over a cop.
That was actually in Florida.
Was it in Florida? I thought it was in New York.
There was a Florida state trooper that pulled over.
It was a female.
Female.
Yeah, it was.
It was a Miami-Dade cop.
That's it.
He was in his cruiser.
Yep, doing like 120 mile an hour with no lights on.
Yeah. So what happened was she arrested him.
Yeah.
And she started getting harassing phone calls.
Yep.
They looked into the database down in Florida, and cops from all over the Miami-Dade area, they were running her information to see where she lived.
Yeah. She would get up in the morning, try to go to work and find dead rats in her yard and shit.
It's nuts.
Like, wow. But and then they try to say that in some departments the blue line ain't a gang. They try to act like that's not a gang thing. But I mean, when you act like that, that's gang mentality. You know what I mean? That's a flat out gang mentality.
I agree.
Every
line of work, there's always a strong bond amongst people that are in that line of work.
Of course.
Whether it be truckers, whether it be firemen, whether it be tow truck drivers, anything like that.
Absolutely.
So but the stakes are high.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Like I said, you can quite literally ruin someone's life with the flick of a pen.
Yep.
In this line of work. I'm surprised you're not out here handing out Constitutions.
Fuck, I can't afford them. Shit.
I'm gonna get you a stack of them.
I wish I had. I would. I'd pass them out bad, man.
They've got these up at the courthouse in stacks right here.
Are you serious?
Yeah, and I'll grab you some next time.
Hey, look, he uses in a bulletproof vest, guys.
Oh, right there. It's easier to pull out that way.
Hell yeah.
Oh, you remember my other one? It was all tattered.
Yeah, I gave you one. I gave you that replacement for it. The top of my head is roasted, dude.
Oh man, this will keep you warm.
Hell yeah.
Is your wife in the truck?
Yeah, she's over there. I don't know if she can see who you are or not. She's probably like, look at this guy fucking with him.
Oh man, it's cold.
But yeah, dude, it's fucking.
I'm surprised you made it out tonight.
Oh man, dude, I can't believe that they did this.
If you would have asked me 4 hours ago, and I had to work today, and I was driving around and it's snowing, if you'd asked me 4 hours ago if we were going to have this thing, I'd have told you. There's no way. I'd bet you $100.
Well, look, man.
Still doing it.
Here's my issue with this thing. Not only is this unconstitutional, but besides that, the statistics show that they don't catch drunk drivers.
No, they don't.
And what drunk drivers are you catching at 7 o'clock in the afternoon?
Yeah,
come on, man. If this ain't a rev for straight revenue, I don't know what is. You know, at 7 o'clock. Now, if this was at 2 o'clock in the morning,
yeah.
I'd understand. But this is at 7 o'clock in the afternoon. People ain't even started going out to party yet.
No, not yet.
Most people don't go out till like 10 o'clock to go party.
What you'll find, especially this time of day,
people coming home from work.
That and drug drivers are really the
drug drivers.
Drugs.
Oh yeah.
We had a guy earlier today wreck his truck into one of our cruisers.
Oh,
and he was under the influence of just eating mushrooms.
What?
Oh man,
how did you guys find that out? How did you find that out? Did he tell you guys?
He told us.
What a dumbass.
He goes, I just ate mushrooms. I was like,
oh my God. Well, you're about an idiot for one.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to talk to the police, you idiot.
There's a defense attorney here in Hamilton. His name's David Washington. He's
I know David.
Attorney. And what he tells folks is, talking to the police, once you do it, it's like trying to put toothpaste back in the tube.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's a good analogy for it.
Yeah, it is.
But no, you're right, and I'll agree with you. I've worked, a few of these, and
there's some YouTube lawyers that say, "Just shut the fuck up." That's their motto. They're lawyers, and they're on YouTube.
Yeah.
All right. Getting some of that taxpayer heat. Oh my God. Yeah. I was down there holding my sign and right past the light, dude, and it was so fucking windy, dude. I was like, you know what? I helped out some people tonight. I'm going over here where it ain't so windy. So hell with that shit. You better, because I seen how they put the sign. It's like literally like 60 feet from the light. Like no time for someone to turn off. If they turn, they're gonna have to hit their brakes and slam on their brakes, and I'm like that's gonna cause a wreck.
Most of the time, at least the word gets out within 10 minutes.
Oh yeah, well you'd have to advertise it anyway. So.
Hey, you guys go over to News Now Ohio's channel and let him know that I sent you. He truly needs our support right now. He's gonna be fighting that case. He was definitely unlawfully arrested. He was outside of the yellow tape. That cop was clearly enforcing feelings, not law. So definitely go subscribe and let him know I sent you. I'll drop the links in the description and in the pinned comment. And you guys keep in mind that he does this on his free time. He does own his own business and he works, but he's been doing this a very long time. So go show him the support that he deserves, folks. All right, thank you all for tuning in. If you have videos that you want us to look at, send it to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. We'll take a look at it. Always record the police, folks. Use your phones. You guys have really expensive camera equipment in your phones. Think about it. 15, 20 years ago, you used to have to carry that type of equipment on your shoulder. And you'd have had to pay a good $17,000, $20,000 for that type of equipment. You have really good cameras on your phones. Use them. If you have videos, like I said, send them to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. You guys have yourselves a blessed day. Subscribe and hit the bell. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.